Hello, this is Lucha and today I want to teach about how to use a Fibonacci retracement to identify golden zones. So if you don't know what is a Fibonacci, this video will be much over the head. So let's read here. First of all, golden zones are supply and demand zones that hold the Fibonacci golden ratio. Let's stop there. So let me show you how the Fibonacci looks like. This is how the Fibonacci looks like. Is that you see here. It's called the Fibonacci. So let's first go to the settings so that you also get the right settings of this, and to give you the right settings that you should use in the Fibonacci. So these are the settings. 0%. Just go to the Fibonacci, go to settings, put this 0%, 0.705, 0.886, 1, 0.5, 0.79. Then you go to the bottom, can change the color of the Fibonacci, everything in the background. Then go here down to the levels, put it is always in the values, but put it percent so that you can get the percentages here. As you see, when I change to percents, it changes. It has changed now to values, so we want it in percents. After doing that, press OK. So if you already have the right settings, you can go to the next part of how to draw the Fibonacci on the chart. Okay, this is a big problem of most traders. Yeah, they don't know how to draw the Fibonacci, so keep watching so you can understand everything. So I'm going to lap this Fibonacci and draw it again so that you can understand what I'm saying. Okay, this is the symbol of the Fibonacci retracement. As you see, Fibonacci retracement. Come here. If we are in uptrends, the Fibonacci retracement, we draw it from the top to the bottom. Okay, I've got that. We draw it from the top to the bottom. Just go to the Fibonacci, tap on it, come here, tap, adjust from the top then to the bottom when in downtrends. So let's see, when we are in uptrends, how do we draw the Fibonacci? Go back here. So this is the Fibonacci in uptrends. Okay, as you can see, in uptrends, Fibonacci in uptrends, we do it like this. Okay, I mean, a bit off so that you can understand this most in the best way. This is the symbol of the Fibonacci. I'm going to tap on it. So I'm drawing from the low. If we in uptrends, we draw from the low, adjusting to the high that has been created recently. Okay, this is a setup that played out some time back, so probably it worked out. Okay, so this is how you draw it in uptrends. Adjust from the bottom to the top. Okay, so let's go to the next part. So how do we use the Fibonacci in supply and demand? Okay, so let's go back to our first setup. As you can see, supply zone. So what is called a golden zone? Let me go to what is called a golden zone. A golden zone is the zone between, we mark using this, the zone between the 50% to the 88%. All these levels from the 50% to the 88%, they call them the golden zones. We mark like this, or to mark them green. Okay, that you can understand this the best way. Keep watching so that you can get every part of this. Okay, yeah, this is the Fibonacci. Sorry, this is the golden zone from the 50% to the 88%. Okay, so in that golden zone, you need to find a candle that you should mark. One of those candles, I probably told them in my first video that I posted on this YouTube channel. Can go and check on it. Yeah, you mark in this golden zone, you only need one candlestick that you should mark. As I marked here, a supply zone, I marked this candle. Yeah, this engulfing bar, because this candle went up, and this red candle engulfed this first candle. Okay, that's why I marked as this my supply zone. Okay, and you can see the market played out very well. It came back from the 0% retracement areas to the 50%, which are the golden zones, and then tapped into our supply zone, which were marked by this candle, which I marked with this candle, and then the market moved in the upside in profits. Okay, if you were to put your TP and stop loss, entry should be here, the middle. So entry should be here, probably TP down here, stop loss in the 0% retracement areas. It depends on which setup you have got, so that you, in order to get a better risk to reward ratio, because this risk to reward ratio, it is 1.5 to 1 risk to reward. Yeah, it's not so bad if you get this type of setups when there are many of them. Okay, same thing if we go to the to that of the uptrends, it will be the same. This is a demand zone that we marked. Our golden zones are from 50% to 88%. They are the golden zones. Let's mark that. Sorry, just here. The 88% retracement areas. Okay, so this is the golden zone in green. So the golden zone, in that golden zone, we shall mark one candlestick that will mark as, or will work as our demand zone, or which candle, the candle that we need our market to come back, then tap in, then move on the upside in profits. Okay, so so here I mark this week down here. If I go to the lower time frame, to the 1 hour time frame, 30-minute time frame, probably you will see the candle that what I have marked. Okay, I've marked. So this was probably going to go up. I marked that dodge candlestick. As you can see, the market came back, tapped the zone. It was likely, yeah, there. The market came back. This dodge candlestick, that is what I have marked. Demand zone. The market has come back, tapped the zone. Now it's going the upside. I hope you are understanding me in the best way. Okay, I'm going to give you all that I know. Okay, just keep watching. Subscribe. Yeah. Let's go back for 1 hour time frame. Look at our zone. Hope I showed you the settings. Yeah, let me show you the settings again so that you can put them. If you don't have these settings, probably put them in, because if you don't have these settings, your Fibonacci will work badly. It won't do you what mine is doing. Okay, put the same settings. Okay, so this is how they use the Fibonacci, how they do it on the chart. When you are in downtrends, you draw from the top to the bottom. When you are in uptrends, you draw from the bottom to the top. Okay, yeah, let me show you this again. In downtrends, you draw from the top to the bottom, or you adjust the Fibonacci from the top. Let me rub it off so that I can give you this in the best way. Tap here, adjust to the bottom. Yeah, that's the Fibonacci in downtrends. In uptrends, you rub it off, that you can get this in the best way. Put it back. Please subscribe. Yeah, put it there. This is how they do it in uptrends. Okay, hope I gave the best thing. Yeah, so if you add the Fibonacci to the chart patterns, to the liquidity, to the most of them, it will probably work for you in the best way. You get set up sniper entries like this, because here you can see there's the liquidity, there's sessions, many of it. Okay, the zone is there, the Fibonacci is there. Yeah, the market is coming back, is feeling imbalance. Okay, yeah, probably you get the best of it. Okay, thank you for watching. See you the next time. Bye bye.